Good morning. We've got Dr. Jacobs doing Ultherapy, full face and full neck today. Ultherapy is a non-surgical facelift. This equipment basically is creating little micro injuries under the surface of the skin. It's ultrasound energy. Those little microscopic injuries will then help build collagen, tighten the skin, and give her some lift. As they heal, and that process will take about 6 months to get the full result. She'll notice some change at about 12 weeks post-treatment, but the full result will be at 6 months post-treatment. So right now we're treating her mid-face. We already did her neck, and we're just working our way up.
And this is I think it's my 8th treatment. I do it every year. Last year we did it twice just to see if we saw any more collagen stimulation, and we were reviewing photos yesterday, and I can't say there's a huge lift, but what I can say is that it is sort of status quo. So I haven't aged, I feel like, over the last year, and I could see a difference in my marionette lines, that it is a little bit tighter. So I think I'm just now 6 months out from the last treatment. Maybe a little bit longer than that. So I feel like this treatment is excellent for maintaining, and adding a little filler to it will give a little bit more lift and make it all just a whole big change, big picture that way. Obviously skincare is important in all of this, and I'm using Lumivive and Even Up. And actually, we just got a new eye treatment from SkinMedica, which is so exciting. This part is pretty comfortable. My neck was a little bit more intense, but this part I can barely feel, so that's good. And then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do Secret RF right after this. So I feel like this is more of a baseline procedure that you're going to have collagen stimulation from the inside out. So like she said, the results are about 6 months. And so it's not like you see this wow effect right away. It does take some time, and it's a millimeter to 2 millimeter change. So a great maintenance kind of procedure versus a huge lift. But we do see some lift, which is great. What else?
You can pick areas. So we're doing full face and full neck today on Dr. Jacobs, but we also can do just a brow lift. We can do just upper face, which would be your eye area and brow lift. Another one that's very popular is chin strap, and when we do chin strap, we do the submental and then we bring it up, so it's going to help tighten the skin along the jawline as well. So we can kind of tweak it and piece it together to treat even just smaller areas that tend to bother you the most.
And I think everybody absolutely loves the brow lift. I mean, we see amazing results with that. And usually we recommend doing that one every 6 months. But this one, full face and neck, we recommend annually. Again, it's a little... This part isn't bad at all, but the neck was just a little bit more intense, and it was only like a 2 or 3 on a 10-point scale. I took some ibuprofen and I took a little bit of Xanax just to be a little bit more relaxed. I think that the medication definitely helps patients get through it a little bit better. It is definitely not my favorite, but I see the results of it, and I know that it's something that just has to be done because I want to have healthy skin, which with the collagen stimulation, that's what's creating that healthy skin. So like she said, the chin strap area is very popular, and combining this with Secret hits all the different layers of the skin, and that's why it's so important to do the combination. Not that you absolutely have to, but the Secret's going to give more textural changes. It's going to improve the fine lines and wrinkles, and like we said, hit all of the different layers of the skin. So you're getting a comprehensive treatment through all the layers. So do you have anything else, Jill?
As far as downtime,
yeah.
with this one is very, very minimal. Possibly a little bit of swelling, and usually that's kind of more in the jawline area. And some people do have some bruising, and again, it's not like real noticeable bruising, it's more just kind of yellowing of the skin. Other than that, I mean, we can put some makeup on and you can go right back to work. There's really no downtime.
That's the beauty too, because we're not gonna have any redness or anything with it, so it's a nice one in that aspect. So okay, so I think that we'll pick up again when we do the Secret RF, and you can see a little bit of that, and we'll show some maybe before and afters in a few months to see the difference. So give us a call if you have any questions. And this is a great treatment. Like, there's no downtime with this, but when we add the Secret, you will have a little bit of redness to it. So this is a great treatment to do like right now in the middle of winter when there's nothing else to do.